How to fix Outlook not sending or receiving emails. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store. Here in the source bar, you have to search for Outlook.
Move into this application. Right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application. Once the application is up to date, the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the settings of a device.
Move into General and then head over to iPhone storage. Over here, you have to search for the application Outlook and then move into it. You will see the option of Offload App. Click on it. And once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of this application, and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Outlook. But if you are still facing this issue, then what you want to do is to make sure that the notification is turned on. Or else, you can also try reinstalling the application. Reinstalling the app will definitely fix the issue, and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Outlook not sending or receiving emails.
Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.